Brahmaputra, the river of life. Brahmaputra, the giver of life.
Mahabahu Brahmaputra Mahamilanar Tirtha Kato Yug Dhori Ahise Prakash.
Namami Brahmaputra, a festival to salute the river of life, a festival to celebrate the giver of life. Guwahati, April 2017. On the banks of the receding river rises our festival island, home to the biggest river festival of India, Namami Brahmaputra. At the heart of this rising island is a salutation called Mahabahu Brahmaputra, Mahamilanar Tirtha Dom. Inside, embark on a journey from legend to present, told through 360-degree projection, holograms and surround sound. A hyper IMAX-like experience. A tribute to the legends of the Brahmaputra at the Barak Museum of Arts and Culture. Luhit Concert Arena for 10,000 people, where our opening ceremony and daily concerts will be held. The Dhanhiri Amphitheatre, bringing alive the rich cultural heritage of the river. Dihing Tea Festival, the world's largest tea house brewed specially by the Tea Board. Manoh Symposium Center, where industry and nature flow together. Jia Bhoreli Theatre, celebrating cinema of the state. Dikho Sports Arena, the Indigenous Games Olympiad arena, bringing alive tribal and traditional sport. Kopili Eco Zone, in harmony with awesome Assam. Dipolu Hut, a buzzing marketplace of the river of life.
Brahmaputra